Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Allie. I am a mom to a little toddler girl named Emerson. She's 2. I'm also 39 weeks pregnant, well, about 39 weeks pregnant. And here on my channel, I like to do a lot of lifestyle, cleaning and organization videos, as well as tons of mommy videos. I'm also super passionate about essential oils and providing my family with just a healthier lifestyle. So I like to get all of my essential oils from Young Living. That is the only company that I personally trust to be 100% honest with me and the quality of products that they are giving to me, because honestly, the regulations on essential oils are pretty non-existent and you can get ripped off very easily. So I trust Young Living to give me pure essential oils that are safe for me and my family to use. But without further ado, let me show you all the things that I got in my September wellness box. I'm very excited about all the things that I got this month. The first thing that I got, of course, if you have watched my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram and have seen my stories, you know that I love me some Einkorn granola. This is my favorite granola pretty much of all the granolas out there. I love to put it on top of yogurt. You can also eat it as like a cereal by adding some milk to it. Or I also like to just eat it straight out of the bag because I'm pregnant and I can. So I always put at least 1 bag in my monthly wellness order, but I'm definitely going to start putting 2 in because it's so good. And I go through it really quickly just because I'm obsessed and I can't control myself. But in this granola, it has einkorn clusters, old-fashioned oats, nuts, seeds, berries, and cacao nibs. And it's naturally flavored with pure vanilla extract and sea salt. Super yummy. The next thing that I got is a supplement. Young Living has a ton of different supplements that I cannot wait to start getting into a little bit more. But this is the first supplement that I have gotten from Young Living, and it is from the Kid Sense line, which is their kids line. I get Emmy's lotions, bath gel, shampoo. I like to get all that stuff for Emerson from Young Living because I know that it is 100% non-toxic, good and safe for her. It's free of all the synthetic fragrances that are known to cause cancer and fertility and hormonal issues down the road. So I like to just stick with the Young Living stuff because I know it's safe and I can trust it. And I actually feel good using it on my little girl. They have a Little Seedlings line, which is more for little babies. I also use the Little Seedlings diaper cream on Emerson still, but I will be using the Little Seedlings line for a baby boy when he gets here. But anyways, all of that to say, I got Emmy some vitamins. These are multivitamins and they are wild berry flavor, and I'm sure that she's going to absolutely love these. I actually got my package while Emerson was down for a nap. She's still down for her nap, so as soon as she wakes up, I will let her try one of these, and I'm sure she's just gonna be so excited. Here you go. Wait. One at a time. Chew it up good, okay? What do you think of that? Is that good? Mm-hmm. Would you like another one? Okay. Those are vitamins. Make you grow up nice and strong. Next, this is a product that I've been meaning to just grab. I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but it is the Thieves waterless hand purifier. So the stuff that you get from the regular store is so bad for you, full of all kinds of things, and I know you think you're doing good by using it because it's helping to kill the germs or whatever, but they're actually just full of very harmful chemicals. So this is the Thieves waterless hand purifier. Definitely going to need this stuff with the upcoming winter and fall yuckies that are going around. This is going to come in so handy. We've also been taking Emmy to kind of like a kids outing type thing at the recreation center near our house, and just the thought of her playing with all these toys that other kids are coughing all over and things like that just creeps me out. And so I'm gonna be using this on her hands, on my hands, and I can feel safe knowing that I'm not putting harmful chemicals on my little girl. And also, once baby boy comes, I'm gonna get the big bottle of this, keep it in the hospital when I'm there, and then keep it in my home for when visitors come by, and just insist that they use it before they touch my little baby. Lastly, I'm going to show you all of the oils that I get. I always get at least a few oils in my wellness box. This month I got some different ones and also just replenished some of the ones that I had run out of. The first thing that I got is the dry skin serum. I have incredibly dry skin, and I think it's because of my thyroid. I have hypothyroidism since I've been pregnant, and it has just made my skin super, super dry. The dry skin serum is a blend. It has all kinds of different oils in it. It has cedarwood, avocado, rosehip oil, jojoba, lavender, myrrh, clove, wolfberry, which is like an antioxidant, which would be really good for your skin, and then royal Hawaiian sandalwood. So this is going to be for my face. You can add a few drops to whatever moisturizer you already have or already use, or you can apply it just directly onto your skin for like a spot treatment. That is what I'm gonna do for now, because I already use a DIY serum, and so it's kind of already a serum. I'm not really gonna add this to that, but I think my chin is like the driest spot, so I think I'm gonna just spot treat and see how that goes. Very excited to try this because I've heard really good things from a lot of my friends. It smells like cedarwood. Oh gosh. So I'm going to be honest with you on the smell of this. I don't like the smell because it has cedarwood in it, and I don't like the smell of cedarwood, but cedarwood is an amazing oil, great for your skin, great for helping to promote sleep. So I do use cedarwood, but it's not my favorite smell. I'll just be honest with you about that one. Next, this is just something I'm stocking up on. I got a big bottle this time because I've been using the smaller ones. And I just use lavender all over my house. I use it in my dryer, on dryer balls instead of using dryer sheets because those are super toxic. I use it in my skincare. I use it to diffuse. It's super calming and relaxing for nighttime. Gosh, there's just so many ways. Oh, it's really good for cuts and burns. So if Emmy ever has a cut on her leg or an ouchie on her leg, then I will just go ahead and put a little bit of this on there. I also burned my chin one time with a curling iron, and the first thing that I did, I was like, this is not going to be good. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed some lavender and I put it on there, and I would put it on there throughout the day, and it definitely helped it heal faster, and it also helped me not scar. So love me some lavender. I go through this stuff like crazy. And then the last oil that I chose was Christmas Spirit because it's getting to be that time of year. I'm so excited about it. And this one, oh my gosh, smells so good. So I'd heard that it was a pretty amazing oil blend, but it really is so yummy. It smells just like Christmas. This is an oil blend, so it's made up of a bunch of different single oils, and in it is orange, cinnamon, and black spruce. So it mixes all of the Christmassy scents into one little bottle. So amazing. I cannot wait to diffuse this. Lastly, but definitely not least, I got sent a free oil by being on the Essential Rewards program, and they sent me this month clove. Again, super appropriate for this time of year. This is great to diffuse. You could cook with it if you wanted to because these oils are safe to ingest. So thank you, Young Living, for treating me to a clove essential oil. With Young Living, I am on the Essential Rewards program, which is basically Young Living's rewards program for purchasing from them monthly. It's totally optional to be on the Essential Rewards program. The reason I do it is because I'm going to be buying these products from them anyways, like toothpaste, shampoo, and body wash, and baby products, household cleaning products. All of the stuff that I would normally have been getting from Target, I just now get from Young Living because, like I said, 100% non-toxic, and it's so convenient because it's delivered right to my door. Mom hack for the win. But another perk of being on the Essential Rewards program is that you get points back for purchasing monthly. So whenever I place an order, I get points back to use towards more free products, as well as I get free essential oils from them. Alright, so that is all of the things that I got in my September wellness box with Young Living. If you guys have any questions at all about essential oils, about the products that Young Living has, about Young Living, about the Essential Rewards program. I love talking about all of this stuff, and I would love to just chat with you about it. So you can either ask me in the comments down below, or you can find me on Instagram. I'm super active there, and it's really easy to just kind of communicate via message. So you can follow me at allie_gooch, and we can just talk about essential oils because I love them. I'm obsessed with them, and I want to help other people get started. And I know that they can be kind of overwhelming at first, but once you learn about them, and if you have somebody there to kind of walk alongside you and teach you and educate you, it really is so much fun, and it's just exciting to help you and your family, like just to know that you're helping you and your family live a healthier lifestyle. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. If you are new, then you won't know this, but I am doing baby watch, which means that I post a video pretty much every single day, just giving you updates on our life, updates on the baby, how I'm doing, how I'm feeling. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can catch up on those videos, or just make sure you don't miss any of them. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Little